The Daily Code Snippet. Attributes provide additional information about the contents of an element. Attributes consist of a name and a value separated by an equal sign. Attributes are added to the opening tag. In general, the name should be written in lowercase and the value should be in quotes. In this example, the language attribute is applied to the paragraph element to let the browser know that the language is in Spanish. The name lang, L-A-N-G, refers to language, and the value of S or ES refers to Spanish and is in quotes. Presented by Designers Learn Code.